WOODSYDOC here. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple way to make a beautiful Thanksgiving centerpiece using what else? Driftwood. So I soaked this piece of wood in a 5-gallon bucket of bleach water, and I did one half and then I did the other half. Now as you can see, the whole piece did not fit in, so I'm left with this darker color in the middle. So I'm drying this out in the sun, and what I'm seeing is on this side here, even though I had this facing up towards the sun for a while, it's such soft spongy wood. This was the part that was really under the water for so long. So what I'm going to do is just chisel away some of this soft bulk, just so it can dry quicker, really. Okay, so all I did was just kind of hollowed out some of that really wet, boggy wood in there, just so it could dry a lot faster. I was careful to keep these rounded edges. It's just what I wanted on my finished piece when I'm done. So on both sides, I didn't get the edge of the wood at all. Okay, I'm all set up here with everything I think I need to make this Thanksgiving centerpiece. So I just love nature, art, things from nature. So I just went around and picked plants that I saw, and I'll play around with it. So I've got some beautiful eucalyptus. I have two different types of eucalyptus. I have this, and I have this type. I have some bougainvillea. I have berries from a peppercorn tree. I picked a little bit of a juniper bush. I have these Pokeball weed type things. I have lots of mistletoe with berries on it. Check this thing out. I have no idea what this is. This came from a tree, and these things grow like that, but look how cool they are. Kind of like those little bromeliad type plants, or even like a calla lily type, but anyway, it came from a tree. Just to add a splash of color, I think that's going to be a lot of fun. I also have a rose to play with, and I have candles. So I have two different types of candles I'm going to try. I've got the round candle holder that I can put a votive in, and then I also have these square ones. Okay, so my plan was to use the round candle holders, and what I would do if this was more of a permanent thing is I get my drill with this attachment here. So this is a 1-inch attachment, and this is just to show you how to do it. You would measure the bottom of your candle holder, whatever that is the size bit you're going to use. This goes into the drill bit, and it just goes around and creates this perfect round indentation in the wood that your candle votive holder can sit right in. So of course I kind of got attached to this piece of wood, and I think it'll be beautiful in my garden afterwards. So I'm actually not going to drill into it. This is just a quick and easy project. Thanksgiving's right around the corner. So I have my handy dandy glue gun, and I'm going to use that for everything. Also fresh flowers like the rose. I'm just going to see how it looks today. But today is Sunday, Thanksgiving's Thursday, so it's just going to be for the video. I would actually, if I like it, I'll use a fresh rose probably the day of. So now it's just time to play and have fun. I'm going to be putting on and taking off things back and forth until I finally see the way I like it. And I'm also going to decide which type of candle I want to use. Do I want the square one or the round ones, and how I want them placed on here. My final product is all going to be glued on with the glue gun. Now is a good time to mention that the memoir I've been working on, called WILDFLOWER, will be coming out by the middle of next month, hopefully. Please follow me on my website to see the actual launch date, www.drteresavanwoy.com. Alrighty, so that's the gist of it. When it comes time for Thanksgiving, it's probably going to look a little bit different. As you probably noticed, towards the end I was able to just tuck in some of the things. I didn't have to glue everything down, basically just get the base. And the fresher things I'm going to add closer to Thanksgiving. So what I'll probably do is get some roses and place a rose in between each of the candles, and make sure that none of the foliage is, overlapping where the candle's going to be lit. You want to be safe and careful with this. Let me go get another rose to see what that looks like. And here is the final product. Pretty, I love it.